On April the 7th, 2018, Archaeological Paths organized a private tour for Mrs. Nadia Al Saeed, CEO of Etihad Bank, former Minister of Jordan and one of the most prominent Jordanian businesswomen. Archaeological Paths opened the entire Egyptian museum in Cairo just for our guest. She took part in a private lecture given by our special tour host Dr. Zahi Hawass, world's most famous archaeologist. That's what she said.
The tour with Dr. Hawass, which was organized by Archaeological Paths, is one of the best things one can ever do in Egypt. A truly wonderful experience, so unique and so inspiring. It is a walk through history in the most amazing way. The tour was so well organized, everything on time and professional. The tour guide from Archaeological Paths has got deep knowledge and is really well informed and interesting. Absolutely magical. Was worth every second. Thank you very much. Nadia Al Saeed.